Okay, where we are there, guys? Where we are exactly? Um,
Sir, are you told to see the video to install the Oracle thing? And
okay, okay. Anyone of you guys are facing any issue or anyone stuck or not installed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me know. Let's wait a
Sir,
second.
after I installed this app, I can't able to log in, sir. The username and password it shows incorrect.
Incorrect, na? Like username, password, you should have to give whatever you have provided in the runtime command prompt, okay? Not the Oracle account user IDs.
So that only I gave, but it didn't work, sir.
What is the password you have given?
I gave PAV2.
No,
That's
no.
my
What?
username. Password is Pavana at 10.
You have typed the password or just kept like password one?
In that command line, I type password one, and other
Hmm.
it will ask in SQL, sir.
Uh,
That's username and password, new
uh,
password.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
You do
there
one thing.
I
No, no. You do one thing. Give the user ID and put the password ID. Password as password one. Okay.
okay,
Try with this. Huh?
okay, sir.
1 minute, guys. Let me complete where we stopped actually. You guys came to know about these lines, right? Whatever, come to screen. Everyone, come to screen. I hope screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever it was written here, you guys are familiar with everything, like how to create a table. What are this column name? What is this? What is this?
Data type.
Where
Okay, what is this?
Data type.
How
that's a
many
space.
letters?
The
text.
maximum records, how much? I mean, maximum. What I can say, size of the column. Okay, size of the value. I hope I explained this worker. I didn't share this document, right? Yeah, I didn't share it for you guys, right? Okay, okay. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Sorry for the interrupt, actually. So I'll just complete this and we'll let you know about that. Okay, don't worry. Every one of you, I'll make every one of you guys to install that Oracle. Okay, we'll just spend some 20 minutes on this concept, learn this, and we'll practice in Oracle. Meantime, we can rectify the installation problem as well. Okay. Now, every one of you guys, please come to the screen. Don't go into the installation part as well. Please come here, okay? Now we know how to create a table and what are the other data definition languages we have? Drop, alter, and truncate. Now I hope I cleared with this as well, right? Okay, while we install that, we can able to explain. But for now, I am just telling one thing. A drop is nothing but it removes the database objects. I told you guys, right? Like for example, you created a table. If you put a drop command there, like this drop table table name, drop table table name. If you just put this thing, whatever the table you have created, it will completely vanish. Nothing. Even the table structure, everything will delete. Make sure to know about this drop, and whenever you are using this drop in real time in offices or somewhere, be very caution about that. Confirm it twice before you are dropping a table, because once you drop the table in some database management, you can't able to retrieve it again. Okay. So what about alter? Alter is nothing but it is also one of the command from the data definition language. It modifies the structure of an existing table. What exactly modifying the structure is nothing but what is the structure? What is the structure here? The table's structure is nothing but columns, table name, columns, and some the data types, everything. So you can modify all that things. You can modify the table name, you can modify the data type, you can modify the column name, you can modify the data type size there. So what type of alters we have now? We can able to modify the column data type, add a new column, remove the column, rename the column. What are the commands we have to use for this? Simple, very simple. Put alter table, that is fine. Put the table name whatever you have created, okay? Table name, and drop column if you want to remove, okay? But what if you want to rename the column name. For example, you given a column name, wrong name like ID, but you have to give it as employee ID. What you will do? Alter table here, alter table, rename column, and provide that particular column name ID, the previous column name, to 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 put two here and give one new column name here. Okay, new column name here. That's it. That is what the uh, is nothing but uh, okay. Or else let me know one thing. Okay, whomever is getting Oracle installation issues, kindly let me know. And can you share the screen of the error what you are getting so that we'll modify and rectify here. And I want every one of you guys to create it. I hope you guys created any one of you guys.
Hello, this is
Yes.
Bhavani. This
Sorry.
is Bhavani, and this is my
Yeah.
first class actually.
Oh, got it, got it. So nothing much happened. No problem. And you can find the
Okay,
previous video in a recorded video. Okay.
okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Just today only we are beginning with the tool. Okay, this is the tool we are going to use. This is Oracle. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
I sent a video in WhatsApp group. Please find that and make sure to install that video to install that Oracle by referring that video. Okay.
Sure.
So from that
Okay.
onwards, we can able to practice. This is the first thing that we are going to explain. No problem. You can get it easily.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone from these guys completed the installation? Anyone of you guys? Santosh?
Yes, sir, I completed.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's working for me.
Okay, okay. Have you tried by creating a table, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I tried using the command
Okay, it got
varchar
run.
and integer and all.
Yeah, yes, please share the screen.
Actually, I've connected to this class through my mobile, sir.
Okay,
I'm
do
working on
one
my
thing.
laptop. Yeah.
Anyone else like Akram, Simran, Akram, someone who told they have already
Yeah, I
installed?
have completed.
Uh,
I'll
but
connect
not
to the
created.
laptop and I'll
Oh,
show.
got
I'll
it.
share my screen.
Okay, okay. Oh. Okay, anyone of you guys are facing any issue, so you can share that issue or tell me what you got exactly, or else share the screen or something like that. Guys, come on, you have to practice from your side in the tool from the tomorrow from today itself. Okay, so make sure everyone to install that. If you guys are not that aware of things, let me know. I'll explain in detail about that as well. Anyone who is facing installation error, and the guys who asked like that password I told to change, may I know who is that?
Sir,
Sir, I'm
sorry to
on this.
interrupt. I just created username as HR and kept password as admin, sir. Is that fine?
No, whatever usernames that you have given, you have to put that only, Santosh.
Okay. Okay.
No,
Okay.
I'm not. Okay, Gauri, right? Okay. Let's dive into
Yes.
Gauri's problem. Have you changed the password, ma?
I'm changing now, sir. I
Okay, okay, got it. Anyone else, guys? Anyone of you guys are facing installation errors as well? If not, we'll dive into the concept. That's what I mean to say. Let me know whether I can start with the concept or not, or else it might not be
You can
till
start, sir. You can
good.
start. We
Good,
will.
good.
Yeah, we will install later.
You
Yes.
guys install, and what I want is, I want any one of you guys to share your screen and show at least the things whatever we have done till now. And today I will be completing some more concepts from data manipulation language and data definition language. Okay. And the people who joined very recently, I'll give a little demo. Okay. Uh, okay. SQL commands. I think you guys are. Am I audible? You guys are able to hear that properly.
Yes, sir. Sir. You're clear.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Basically, like the SQL is right. Like SQL commands are categorized into 5 types. Okay, SQL is nothing but structured query language. We can able to do data manipulation, whatever. We can retrieve the data from database using the SQL language. This is a query language. It's not that programming language that you feel any hectic or nothing like that. It's very user readable language. Whatever the saying, that only you are going to write in the command. Okay. Now the SQL commands are categorized into 5 types: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. In that, this is a very frequently used command, that is data query language, because by the help of this command only we can able to read the data, by we can able to select the data. And if you come with the DFL, right, data definition language, this one is the very first command, very first category where we are going to explain. Now I explained actually how to create, okay, how to create a table, how to drop a table, how to alter table, how to truncate a table. Okay, I explained these things. Please refer the previous video as well. And this comes under the data definition language, which deals with the structure of the data. What is the structure of the data? See, as per I told previously, the data in a database, relational database will be stored in a structured manner, and the structure is tabular structure. A table is nothing but set of columns and rows. Got it? Now you are creating a table by giving some column names, data types, something like that. Okay. So create is nothing but create tables. Alter is nothing but alter, changing, renaming table name, renaming column name, something like that. Drop is nothing but completely dropping the table which you have created. And the truncate is nothing but it is also comes under the delete category, but it is very famous. You want to make sure to remain the data same, but the table should be there. And data will be data inside that will be delete. Empty table you need to make. Okay. At that moment, if you give the truncate and the table name, then it will vanish the data inside a table. Okay. This is how we can able to create a table. Okay, this is how we can able to create a table. uh, these are the syntax, very simple. Create a table, that is common, right? This is common. Create a table is common. Provide a name for your table. Okay, create a table, table name, open bracket, put the employee ID as first column. And what is this is a data type. Data type is nothing but what type of data it is, whether it is integer, whether it is a varchar, whether it is a string, whether it is a float, decimal, everything. I defined everything very clearly, what exactly the data types here. Please go through this as well. Okay. So we'll give column names, whatever the columns we need in the table name table, and then we'll put the appropriate data type, so that if you give some integer here, I mean if you give some other data type, it won't take. Okay. And this is what about the data types as well. And the next most important thing is data manipulation language. There's a second one. This one, data manipulation language. Manipulation is nothing but updating something like that only. That kind of commands only you can able to see here, right? If you go to DML here, right, we have the commands like insert, update, delete. Now you created a table. Okay, you created a table, and this is the table you have created. This is the table you have created. Okay. This is the table you have created. Now you want to insert the data into that empty table. That is that comes under loading the data into table. Okay, these are the lines. These are the line. These are the command. You have to SQL query. This is the SQL query to insert the data into the table. What is this syntax? Just see here. Just see here. Insert into. Give the table name which you have created. Okay, table name of is nothing but open brackets. Give the column names. Okay, whatever column name you have employee ID, you have first name, you have last name, hire date, and salary. Give this column name. Give these column names here. Okay. Insert into table name of column names values. This is constant. Okay, values of provide the values. Okay, provide value 1, value 2, value 3. Value 1 is for column 1, value 2 is column 2, value 3 is column 3. Okay, the same syntax I'm going to run in SQL. Okay. This is our Oracle environment. After installing, we will be getting. One second. See the syntax, guys. The syntax is correct. One second. Yeah, this is the syntax, guys. See, create table, table name. What is the table name I have given here?
Employee 2.
Employee 2 is my table name. And the employee ID is my column. And I given some integer. Neglect about this not null, I'll tell you later. And first name with the data type, last name with the data type. And after this data type, I given 50. 50 is nothing but maximum length of the name should be 50. Minimum how many you want to give, you can give. Now if you run this, I'll give some other name, okay? If you run this, what it will get in the result? If you click like this and if you put the green run icon, it will run. But what I will tell is, if you select this, control enter. It's one of the shortcut to run the query, okay? Control enter. Okay, it will create a table. See here, table employee to created. Oh my God, what happened? I created a table, okay? I created a table with the very good syntax, create table, but I can able to see table employees only here. How come I'll see the table?
By using select command.
By using select command. What is the select command? It
It will
comes
display the
under
data.
data query language. It comes under data query language. See,
Yes.
select comes under data query language. Whenever you are retrieving, reading, everything comes under same. Okay, reading, selecting, and retrieving is same, guys. Okay, so when the moment you created a table, you inserted data, something happened. Now you want to see the table. How you will see the table? That is somewhat inserted in the left side database tables now. Okay, how you will see is by using select. Select. Okay, select is fine. Now what I have to do? Whatever columns there, you have to select that columns. Select employee ID, comma, first name, comma, last name from
Table name.
table name. What is the table name here? Employee,
Employee underscore.
employee underscore 2. If you run this command, yep, your table came. Employee, first name, last name. I mean to say like it is an empty table. Okay, it's an empty table. Nothing data is there. See here, employee name is there. Employee ID, first name, last name, and in the result, in the down, okay? Here, okay? Got it? Now, what I explained you guys is insert logic. I just told insert logic. What is insert here? What is insert? Insert into table name of columns values. Okay, got it. Now, I'll do an insert into thing. What I'll do is I'll just insert into what is the table name?
Employee underscore 2.
Employee underscore 2. Insert into table. What is the next syntax of columns? What are the columns we have? Columns. Now one constant I told values again of now provide employee ID 1 I'll give. Now first name I'll give as Abdul, okay? Abdul. Clearly see this. I want someone to ask a doubt regarding this. Last name I'll give last name as Kalam. Got it? Now what I'll do? I'll just put one semicolon and I'll run this. What is the result here? One row inserted, but result is not coming. Where we have to see result, how we have to read the data, how we have to retrieve the data, what we have created, what we have inserted.
By selecting select command, we can see the data from the table.
Yep, exactly. Just run this. Here is the data. Here comes the data. Okay. One doubt I am expecting from you guys from this insert command. Let me know what is that.
Why we are using quotes for first name and last name?
Why we are using quotes? Because wherever you give varchar date except integer data type, Abdul, how we know? Because you only know, because you only created a table. While you are creating a table, you have given the data appropriate data type for that particular column. So if you are providing if you are not providing the single quotes to that, it will throw an error. Can I show you guys what kind of error it will throw? Wait.
So I just have one more doubt. So why we are using underscore?
Which underscore?
Employee underscore 2. So
table name. That's table name. Whatever you want, you can take.
Okay.
See now for Abdul, I didn't provide her the the single quotes. Okay. Now I am running this. Oh my God, what is this in the down column?